My name is Chris Denney, and I'm the CTO for Worthington Assembly, a CM in New England. Unless we have significant customer pressure, significant regulatory pressure, it just comes down to the bottom line. What is the ROI on these changes? Internally, we're a small business, and a lot of small businesses can't have a major impact on the world. So we look to see what we can do in our own small world. And it can be as simple as, I think about your computer. When you're not using your computer for 10 minutes or more, it goes to sleep. And why can't we do something similar with these extremely expensive energy hogging machines that we use? We have reflow ovens, selective soldering machines, vacuum pumps. If we're not using them, why not have a method for turning them off for a little while? Many of these components are packaged a large variety of ways. And there's a remarkably wasteful means of packaging these components. And anybody who knows me knows I've talked about this before. It's packaging these components into tubes. I want to be an advocate for the manufacturers of these components to say, hey, can you come up with better plastics? Are there plastics you can package these in that are compostable? So rather than throwing these in a landfill, can we somehow come up with different plastics that we can compost or have some more
reuse?
The floor is where people are actually seeing these things change. And when you're sitting in an office, you don't always see all the waste that's taking place. You don't see all the extra trash that's filling the containers.